fatan alkai jama'a dan akwai hakuri yau na zo irin abin da ban tabbata ya ta ban samu zuwa da ni kusan ba samu zuwa martani ba amma a wannan kabar abin da Davido ya mana dabbanci ne da Davido da masu irin tunaninsa duk me aka ci halin dabbobi ne suke ya Davido da aka ga kana promoting yana samu kana promoting yan ta'adda ya zaka je ka dauki sirrin Najeriya sirrin mu na cikin gida ka dauka kai mana duniya me za ka samu a wannan duk wani content creator wanda zai zama yana irin halin Davido na promoting yan ta'adda wanda hukunci mai kasan nan baya Davido ya dauki sunan yara wanda aka wani kila ya same su a Oyo aka sace ya rubuta sunan yaran a cikin tutar Najeriya ko a cikin bajin Najeriya ya tafi Amurka yana yadawa to me ya riba shi me zai samu a wannan abu ko dan dai kawai me aka ta ya mai da abu siyasa ya mai da abu siyasa kenan dan kan uban kai yana takara a cikin me aka ta a cikin akwati shi ko tunun bana mulki a ABC shike.
All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. I hope all is well with you. So this morning I want to share something with us. I saw this post. I was like, what is going on? I know that Nigeria is very, very crazy. In this time, this time we are. A lot of things is going on there. Strange stuff is happening in Nigeria. And should I say Fulani Voodoo have done very, very, very good job by shutting mouth, voices down. People don't talk. Everything now is normal. Like whatever you throw to Nigerians now, it is expected. All right? People's voice have gone down. Nobody is talking. Everybody is filled with fear. Now, this man speaking in a northern language in a secular state, addressing Davido. Do you know Davido's offense? Why must he put on this jacket with this green round, should I say ribbon? I don't know what they call that. A kind of pin with the names of the children kidnapped in the bush. This northern man was very, very angry to Davido, and he said a lot of things, calling him a terrorist, that Davido has committed an act of terrorism for protesting against children kidnapped by his casemen. And if you go to comment section, nobody's actually calling for his arrest because the people are tired of nobody's going to arrest him. No, the DSS are in fear, civil defense in fear, police are in fear, army they are afraid, the federal government the same thing. Nobody want to talk. You cannot. In fact, as long as you're a northerner, the safest thing you need to do now for you to be free from every arms of government is by have to start committing terrorism. Then the government will back up. Imagine a country that children are in the bush, people are being beheaded, recorded, filmed and published by these people. The whole Nigerian, everybody, they are calling them bandit. Instead of calling them terrorists, they say they are bandit. In the midst of saying they are bandit, these people are still doing what they're doing. This man is not in the bush. He's out saying what he's saying. Imagine calling the video names. Now, I want you to, let's go to the post because playing his audio is useless. Because you don't understand what he's saying. I believe many of us here cannot subscribe to what he's saying, and you don't understand what he's saying actually. So to make it very, very safe for us, we have to rely on the write-up. Okay, people that made the post, they have managed to explain to us what the man was actually trying to say. But when you see, don't worry, I'm going to play it again so you can, focus on the body language of the man in question. So this post was made by people called a gossip mail. Okay, gossip mail. So he said, breaking news: Davido has committed the act of terrorism. He was wrong for putting the names of the 45 abducted school kids on his jacket. at the World Cup. He has exposed Nigerian secrets to the international community. APC singer Dauda Fumi is in anger. And Davido has already, tweeted this as well with a kind of emoji of, it's emoji that is crying, something like that. Just honestly, that is an insult to Yoruba people. Very huge insult. You will not see any Yoruba man calling for him or mobilizing to chase his kinsmen away from Yoruba land or no. Or even banning them from Lagos, burning their businesses and their cow. The same hand that the burning Igbo people, pulling houses down and warning Igbo this life. Good people always face challenges. I don't know why. I don't know why. The same people that are warning Igbo people, oh, don't do this, don't bring this. Look at it now. Imagine Igbo people holding Yoruba children hostage in the bush. Just think about it. Imagine what they will do to you. You see that strength. Oh, Davido is wealthy, rich, connected in government, but he cannot do it. He's protesting without even war. Just put the names of the children there and wrote at the back of his jacket, "Bring them home. Bring them home." Another one is not without any marks, calling for his, that he has for government to punish him by exposing what he called Nigerian secret. It's not this. This is not Nigerian secret. Or what am I even saying? Nigerian. This is a Nigerian secret place. What am I even saying? Because the government are not even. They have proven that they're part and parcel of the terrorism. They have proven that they're part and parcel of terrorism scheme going on in Nigeria. A very one of the most lucrative business in town. Banditry and terrorism. Very, very, very sad. Unacceptable by anybody that is decent. This is something more are yet to come. If I watch a video of one pastor, I think from Joseph Okechukwo's platform, saying that the truth is that they want to Islamize Nigeria, but they can never Islamize Nigeria. What are you doing to stop them? Absolutely nothing. This is very, very sad. Very, very, very sad. And people, like I said, don't care. Map. For how long are you going to continue this way? For how long? For how long are you? Look at it. Another, hear him because, let me play it again. So you can just, I understand that you don't understand his language. I don't take that. But let's focus on the body language because that may help us to have an idea if you demand to if you think I'm lagging, watch. How many of you will put flag of Nigeria and begin to speak Igbo language? When they kidnap us, what do? They address the nation in their language. And some is still telling you that they will be, if I be a man of God, they will not Islamize Nigeria. Really? You think that's the way it ends? What will you do? What are you doing? Thousands of Christians are today jihadist enablers. Unknowingly, by promoting one man that want to become president. The same thing some people are doing now to P2B is actually what Yorubas did to bring Tinubu. Even though Tinubu did not win election, they still demanded, and they're gonna they will still it again because you did nothing in the first time, and they know you're not gonna do anything the second time. Even if you contest 4 times again, you are not gonna win. Not a cause, not out of bitterness, but that is the reality of the country that you are promoting, thinking that you are going to make it work. Keep on deceiving yourself. When people talk, they say, "Oh, you are promoting this division." And how am I promoting division? A country that has divided before they even married my mother. So that is very, very funny, to be honest. I just want you to see where the whole thing is heading now. Very sad that those innocent people are paying the price. Imagine little children being trapped in the bush. What is the offense? They went to school, and that ends it. Chineke Melune better. Please like the video and let me know what you think about it. Good morning, good afternoon to you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. It's unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate.